Hi guys, my name is Matt Walker and we are having Mad Skills Clown class here. We're the ones who are kind of stewarding these skills. You can read them in a book, but having hands-on training with somebody who's been there and done that, makes their living doing this stuff, you really can't find that anywhere else. Instructors across the board are amazing. So many different disciplines and skill sets, so many different points of view about the world of clown that we all love so much. And there's no better place to learn than the clown school, for sure. What's great about working at the clown school is you meet people from all walks of life, not just performers, but just regular people who have regular jobs and maybe they're looking for something fun to do or a different way to work out or a way to connect. I think everybody kind of gravitates towards clowning and the circus, and who wouldn't want to just show up and learn how to juggle all day?
Yeah. I want to say it's